spent a lot of double takes trying to film this video, but today we're just gonna do the peanut butter blossoms, where it's the peanut butter cookie with like the Hershey Kiss in it. And then I got more things at the store, just random things. I had $10 extra, so I was like, let's go see what we can find. First picked up some marshmallows, don't know why, but I just picked them up. And then I saw these, and I thought they were the Reese's cups, but these are bells, but they'll work the same way. And then I got the Hershey Kisses to do the traditional blossoms, and then I just randomly picked up trees, because I was like, I ain't never had the tree before, so I'm gonna just pick these up. But right now what I have out in front of me is, in this bowl, is 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour. Can't really see it because of the glare of the light. A teaspoon and a half of baking soda, a teaspoon of baking powder, and a half a teaspoon of salt. But to get that started, I'm just gonna, like mix it together. And then in this bowl over here, I have my 2 sugars. It doesn't matter if you use light or brown sugar. I had light brown sugar on hand, but you're gonna need about a cup of that and a cup of white granulated sugar. I'm gonna go ahead and break up my brown sugar, because I like to refrigerate my brown sugar so it gets more like harder that way. And then I'm going to mix them together. I'm gonna switch to my whisk right now because it's gonna help me break up the chunks. So now what I'm gonna add in is my butter. Some recipes call for unsalted, but I already know the Imperial brand is salted, so it doesn't matter. It just adds more flavor to your cookie dough. So supposed to be softened, but I could have used margarine, but I bought these specifically for this, even though there's margarine in the refrigerator. I'm gonna switch to my spatula to cut it and push it into the sugar to cream it together. So that was kind of a bit of a workout, but it's all mixed together. And then okay. It calls for, I think, maybe both of these on the backs of these peanut butter, the Hershey Kisses and the peanut butter say 3/4 cup. So I'm gonna go ahead and put a cup in there. Or I might just put, there's been a lot in this jar, so I'm gonna just use the whole rest of this jar. And if they're really peanut buttery, what's wrong with that? At least, well, this is a spatula, Tabitha. Mix it all together with my spatula. Okay. So then next, you don't need to put in vanilla, but this vanilla is almost empty, and I'm trying to get rid of it. So Even though that was like 2 tablespoons. That's okay. And then, so I'm gonna add my egg. So I'm gonna mix one in and then add in the other one. Add in the second egg. Okay, I'm gonna use my spatula and fold in the flour. I'm only gonna do a little bit of flour right now, so that I just don't overpower it right now, because the peanut butter mixture is really soft compared. Oh, I got sugar on me. Compared to the adding in the flour and stuff. Okay, I'm gonna add in some more. Ooh, this is really an arm workout. And I'm gonna add in the last bit, the flour mixture. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna grab my ice cream scoop and I'm gonna scoop them into my greased mini cupcake tin. You could do traditionally just putting it on a baking sheet, parchment, or grease baking sheet, so that it has that plump, like in the picture, back of here. But I'm trying to make clean up easier. Well, I'm just trying to make the most, and my mini cupcake tin fits 24, and I can't get that on a regular baking sheet, so that's what I'm gonna do. So I will come back when all the cookies are done. Hey guys, welcome back. So right now I have them both done. I didn't realize how big the bells actually were, but like they're like the actual size of a regular one. I love the gold foil on these. I'm not gonna taste the bells right now because they're still, I did them after the kisses, but they're so melty, it's so good looking, but I'm gonna try one of these. I think that they're all so incredibly talented, and this community is seriously built on the small artists that are working so hard every single day to make different talent. So I actually really like these because even though I added in all like double the amount of peanut butter, the peanut butter taste in it is really mild, or like the chocolate overpowers it. Oh, I also, before I put the the dough inside of my mini cupcake tin, I sprinkled the outer layer. You know how you do cakes with flour? I did that with granulated sugar around the edges so that they have that traditional sugar. If you're not doing them in a little mini cupcake thing, before you put them on your baking sheet, remember to roll them in the granulated sugar. And yeah, you guys back on the channel. Hopefully you guys will see the next video on the correct day of this Saturday coming up. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and also all of my social media links will be down below in the description. Thank you.